Hello and welcome to today's science lesson. My name is Anas and I'm a teacher at the International Knowledge School. In today's lesson, we'll go for a quick review of what we've done in the last episode, and then we'll do the homework and move on to today's exercise or lesson. Now, in the last exercise, we talked about caring for your body and how important or precious your body is. So your body is precious and you must care for it. Okay, so your body is precious and very valuable and you must take care of it very well. Okay, sometimes we feel pain, we feel something hurts. So here, her head hurts, near his stomach hurts. Now, maybe she hit her head, maybe she has a headache, so that's why her head hurts. And he has a stomach, maybe he hit his stomach, or he ate something bad, so that's why his stomach hurts. Either way, they have to be more careful in the future so this pain doesn't happen again and they don't get hurt again. Okay? An important thing to do every day is to clean your teeth. Okay? Cleaning your teeth takes or cleans out the germs that grow on your dirty teeth. And these germs, of course, make us sick. So we don't want germs to be on our teeth. Okay, so germs make our teeth rot and ache. You must use a toothbrush and a toothpaste to wash your teeth every time with brushing your teeth and your tongue. So every tooth and your tongue. Brush your teeth twice a day or 2 times a day in the morning and before going to sleep. Although take care, too many sweets like candy, ice cream, and chocolate, and fizzy drinks like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and 7-Up make your teeth bad. So try to drink less from fizzy drinks and eat less sweets like candy, ice cream, and chocolate. You don't have to cut them out completely, but just eat a little less. I told you to look this up, YouTube, how to brush your teeth for kids. So it will show you how to brush your teeth properly and make it very clear and show you how important it is to brush your teeth. These are good things for your teeth: milk, apple, carrot, and cheese. Although these two are very useful and very good for your health in general, not just for teeth. These are good as well. Okay, we stopped here. Now, we had homework in the workbook, so let's go ahead and do it now. It was on page 37. Okay, so on page 37, join the dots and color the picture. Okay, so let's go ahead and join the dots. Here we have 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where's 9? Oh, 9. Where's 10? Oh, okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what's this? This is toothpaste. Okay, make sure to color it. That'll make it look a lot nicer. If we have time at the end of this lesson, I will go back and color it with you. If we don't, you can go ahead and color it on your own. That would be very nice as well. Okay, now let's see what this is. Oh, let's write the word for it. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Okay, mixed up. Let's see what this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Make sure that's in the camera. Yeah, good. 16, 17, 18, oops, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. So what's this? A toothbrush. So let's write it here. Toothbrush. Okay, same thing as here. Toothpaste and toothbrush. That on the opposite page. Okay? Mark the things that are good for your teeth with a tick. Mark the things that are bad for your teeth with a cross. Now I hope you did this the last time and you realized what's good and what's bad. Now A is good, that's milk. B, that's a carrot. Of course it's good. Now gum is a type of candy and sweets, so it's not really good. It's not really good and that's not really bad, but it's more bad than good. Candy bar, no. Candy bar, no. Sugar canes, no. Bad. Cheese is good. Apples are good. Fizzy drinks are bad. Okay, so here, milk. We can write the words for these things. So here we have milk. Here we have a carrot. Here we have gum. Candy. They look like sugar canes, but you can call them candy as well. Apple. Fizzy drinks like 7-Up, Pepsi, Coca-Cola. These are the same. Cheese. Okay, so these are types of things that are good and bad for your teeth. Of course, a toothbrush and a toothpaste are your best friends, or are your teeth's best friends. Okay, so make sure you brush your teeth twice a day and don't forget. Okay, we will do this after we finish today's lesson. So let's go back to the pupil's book and do today's lesson. Let's go. All right, wash your hands. Have you ever been sick? Germs make you sick. Dirty hands spread germs. You must wash your hands before touching and eating your food, after touching dirt and animals, after playing, after using the toilet. So it's important to use or to wash your hands like this using soap and water after doing any of these activities. Of course, you have to rub your hands well with water. You can look up this on YouTube. Here, I'll write it here. YouTube. How to wash your hands for kids. Okay, so how to wash your hands for kids. It's really important to remember to do that at least a few times a day, especially after these things. Because if you don't, you will get sick. And if you get sick, that's really bad because it will hurt you and it's not good for your health. And again, let's go back. Your body is precious. You must care for it. So one way to care for it is to clean your teeth, and the other is to wash your hands properly. So make sure to wash your hands properly. Okay, sneezing spreads germs too. Cover your nose when you sneeze. Of course, then wash your hands. Okay, so when sneezing spreads germs too. So sneezing is very dangerous for other people next to you if you are sick. Cover your nose when you sneeze and your mouth. Then wash your hands. Okay, so again, very quickly, wash your hands before and after touching and eating food, before and after playing, before and after feeding your cat or your pet or any animal, or touching any animal, after sneezing. Okay, so make sure you wash your hands with soap and water. Make sure you do this, do this, do this as well. After you finish, do this, this, and you're done. Okay, again, you can look up this video. It will show you a detailed way of how to wash your hands, and you will definitely like it. So make sure, do not forget washing your hands. Okay? Next up, hand washing. Look, now here you will need newspaper, a bowl of cold water, soap, a bowl of warm water. Okay? Hand washing. Look at your hands. Are they dirty? Make your hands dirty with a newspaper. So take the newspaper and just make your hand dirty with it. Newspapers have ink on them, so if you touch them and you just try to play with them, they will make your hand dirty. Okay? Now, wash your hands with cold water. Okay? So that's the first thing you have to do. Now, wash your hands with soap and cold water. So two things. Finally, wash your hands with soap and warm water. Which works best? Now, you have two options. This one, with soap and cold water, with soap and warm water. Now, you have to do this experiment and tell me which one works best. I will try to tell you the next time if I remember, but this is something that you have to do. Which one works best? Washing your hands with cold water without soap, washing your soap with soap and cold water, or washing your hands with soap and warm water. Which works best? So go ahead and do that now if you want to pause the video, or after you finish the video, and then choose or tick one of these options. Okay? Nails. Keep your nails short. Scrub them to keep them clean. So these are our nails. Okay, now don't keep them too long. So here you can see my nails, they're not long. None of my nails are long because I clipped them and I cleaned them. So it's very important that you trim your nails and not keep them very long. This one is longer than these, but that's okay. I'll clip it at a later time. So make sure you cut your nails short and scrub them to keep them clean. So whenever you have a shower or you do anything, just wash your hands and your fingers and nails so that they are clean and there's nothing under them. So if there's something under them, that means you need to wash your hands and scrub them again and again until they are clean. Okay? Look at your nails. Are your nails short and clean or dirty and long? Now, when your nails are long, things will go under them and they'll stay there, making your fingers very dirty. So you need to make sure you keep them short and clean, not dirty and long. Okay? So that's very important. So if your nails are dirty and long, you have to cut them, make them short and clean. So cut them first and then clean your hands. Okay? Now, let's check our progress here. Copy and complete with copy and complete with 3 of the keywords. Dirty hands are covered with, wash your hands with, and warm water. Clean your every morning. Name the 2 things that are good for your teeth and bad for your teeth. Let's look at the keywords. Germs, soap, teeth, toothbrush, toothpaste, and water. Okay? Dirty hands are covered with germs. Okay, so make sure you wash your hands or you'll get germs on your hand. Okay, wash your hands with what and warm water? Soap. Good. Clean your every morning. What do we clean every morning? Teeth. Clean your teeth every morning. Name 2 things that are good for your teeth and 2 things that are bad for your teeth. So let's do this. Okay. Good for your teeth, milk. Apple. Bad for your teeth, candy. Fizzy drinks. Now we have many other things that are bad for your teeth as well. We did them here. And we have some more in the workbook as well. So you can go back to them whenever you need an answer. So these are things are good and bad for your teeth. So you can change these to whatever that you like. Okay? So that's it for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will have one more thing that's important to keep our body healthy, or more like reviewing what we have to do to help keep our bodies healthy. Okay? So we will do this the next time. For this time, I will go back to the workbook and we'll do some questions and I'll leave the rest for you as homework. Okay? So let's go ahead and go to Unit 9. When should you wash your hands? Before or after? Okay? So here we have before and after. So let's see. Now, usually, what I would do is I would wash my hands before and after. But in this exercise, we will just choose one. Or maybe two, because sometimes it's important to use both. Okay? Before and after using the bathroom. Both. After playing with a dog or a pet. After, before eating. After and before cooking. Okay, now it's important to wash your hands before you play with a pet as well, because they will touch you and you will touch them, so germs might transfer from you to them, and that will be bad for them as well. So make sure you wash your hands before and after you play with your pet as well. Okay, here, true or false. So you have to do this on your own, and I'll answer it with you the next time. Cover your eyes when you sneeze. Wash your hands with a toothbrush and a toothpaste. Wash your hands after using the toilet. Sneezing spreads germs. Dirty hands rot and ache. Okay, that's it for today's science lesson. Make sure you do the homework and we'll answer it together the next time. And if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comments below and I'll do my best to help. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.